Hey guys, it's Ashleen. I finished work pretty early yesterday, so I thought I'll just duck into the shops. And originally, I just went in to get a pair of black flats from Kmart, and I went to Big W and Temt as well, and got a couple of other things. And when I was in Big W, I just always go to the cosmetic section to see if they've got any new brands or anything like that. And I noticed they had heaps of stuff on special, so of course I bought some stuff. So this is a Tempt Kmart Big W haul of sorts. So if you want to see what I ended up getting, then just keep watching. So I'll start with Kmart first because there's only two things, which is I was quite restrained when I went in there. So the flats that I got were just these little guys. So I wanted this colour to wear with an outfit that I bought when I was in Tempt because my knees are so buggered. I can't cope walking in heels for a long time. So they're just suede. I've worn these ones before. I'm a size 8 and these ones were $7. So I got the same in black as well. I don't like the little ballet flats. I like the ones that come up over my foot a little bit longer because I've got really, really long, narrow feet. So the traditional ones that look like little ballet shoes don't work with my feet because the metatarsals or the top part of my foot here are really long and narrow. So they fall out of like a traditional ballet style shoe. So they work for me. They're not for everyone, but they work for me. I went to Tempt and I found, because it's starting to get, we're only a couple of weeks away from spring, so I wanted to get some really cool little tops to wear with like ripped denim shorts and stuff. And I found this one here. This is I don't even know what you would call it. This is like a camo print, just with a bit of a higher neck. It's not a crop, it's quite a longer fit one, which is fine by me. So originally it said $6.95 and then was down to $4.95. You can't go wrong. So that'll look nice with jeans, shorts, a black maxi skirt, whatever you will. I was quite impressed with that. I got another one that was $14.95 down, and this one's down to $9.95. So it's just sort of like a 3/4 length. It's ribbed. I don't know if you can see that it's sort of like a rib material, so it's a little bit more flattering. Yeah, just a black shirt, sort of similar to what I've got on at the moment. But I'm actually going to wear this tonight, so I wanted to get it out and get it sorted because I'm wearing it with, I've got a pair of like pleather or leather look leggings from Cotton on a little while ago. So I'm going to wear the black with the leggings are like an olive green almost. They're really pretty. And then this is, my husband got nominated for Auskick Volunteer of the Year. So Auskick, for those of you that aren't familiar, is like a precursor to AFL. So the kids start it, you can start as young as 4, and it just teaches them skills, drills, social interaction, how to kick a ball properly, how to take a mark properly, how to handball properly, all that sort of thing. So this year I coordinated the Auskick for Parramatta and my husband was the coach, but he did a lot of hard work. Like he organised, our team played for halftime for the GWS Giants games, so he had to organise all that. He coached with him and another girl, coached. And so Thursday nights, Sunday mornings, and he was there and he was always happy he's so good with the kids. So he got got nominated for Volunteer of the Year, which is really big, and it's nice that he got recognised for it. So we got the invitation and it just said dress casual. And I thought, well, what's casual? So I had no idea. So I got these pants. So just like a wide leg culotte, the buttons and stuff on them. So I'm going to wear these shoes with them because it just goes really well. This stripe is actually like a navy blue. And these are a medium. These ones were $19.95. They weren't on special, but I thought that was a really good price anyway because they're nice, wide, flowy sort of leg pants. Then I got a navy blue, because it's at night. We are still in winter. The nights do get cool still. So I just bought this blue, I don't even know what you call it. I don't know. It's just like a blue sweater jumper type thing to go with it. So it's like a navy blue. So it goes with the stripes. I got that in a size small because it looks like it's a really big, wide fit. I think it's meant to be like one of those sort of half off the shoulder things. I don't know. I'll work it out anyway. But anyway, it was originally $14.95. It was down to $6.95. So that's what I got from Temt. So I've got an outfit for this volunteer thing, but I'm sure that I'll get a lot of use out of these pants in spring because they're just real flowy. Not something I would normally go for because I don't normally go for those colours because I'm so white. Everything just washes me out. But the big thing that I was most excited about was Priceline just recently had their 50% off sale, and I just didn't have time to get there, so I missed out. I forgot that you could buy online. Anyway, I missed out. I needed some new brushes, and I was talking to one of the ladies that worked at Big W, and she said that she just got these brushes. They were on clearance down from like $29.95. These were $12. So they're B Pro Define and Highlight. It comes with your fan brush, a sculpting brush, angled contour brush. But then, of course, me being me, I bought it's got 2 buffing and blending brushes, and then it's got a blusher brush in there as well. $22 for 2, and one was $29.95 or something originally, something like that. So I was really impressed with that. But the lady said she bought it, and she uses the buffing brushes to put a foundation on in the morning. She said she stipples, and she said it works just as well as some of the Morphe ones that she's got. So I will test these out, and I will let you know. They were on clearance. I don't know if they'll be keeping them. I've got a skew with a bit of hair here. Moving on. My lips are pretty dry still because I'm on Roaccutane, which you will have known if you've been watching my videos. Anyway, I got Maybelline Baby Lips Electro-Pop. So that's like the, yeah. Shall we just put a little bit on and see if it has got colour? I just wanted something. Whoa, that's very pink. Oh, they feel nice. Yeah. A bit of colour in there, so that's nice for an everyday wear one. Now that one, Baby Lips, was oh crap. That was 90 cents. They're not normally 90 cents, so that's cool. What else did we get? I went into Big W because I wanted a new nail polish, and I was just looking for a base coat, top coat kind of thing. So I got a base coat, top coat, and then I got BOE Professional, Bow Professional. I don't know if you can see that in there. The colour is Femme, which I'm just assuming is black because that's what I wanted. So well, the base coat was $5.25, and doesn't. Oh, I don't think that she scanned it. She didn't. I didn't pay for that. She didn't scan it. I don't check those sorts of things. That's not my job. I feel kind of bad. Moving on. I wanted some new I wanted a nice pink lip colour. So these are the Maybelline Superstay 24-hour colour. The reason I got these ones is because anything that's long lasting dries up on my lips. Well, it's got the little lip glossy thing on the end of it, which is why I got these ones, so that it sort of kept my lips moist. So I got the colour 105 Blush On. Then I got the colour 150 Timeless Toffee. And these were $6 each. Those were really good price. I was quite impressed with that. Been wanting to try these for ages. These are the Maybelline Color Drama. They're like a big chubby, almost like a pencil, but like a lipstick. So again, I went for like a nude. That color is Nude Perfection. And then I wanted to try a red. And this one's called Red Essential. They're actually really creamy. So, and I wanted like a berry red. I didn't want anything with orange undertones in it. Those ones were Color Drama. $1.61 each for those at Big W. I can't believe the prices. And because I love to do different sort of eye looks, I got 4 different coloured Maybelline Crayon Kohl. These are the eye pencils. Whoop, whoop. And these were $2 each, $2.02. So I got the colour Edgy Emerald, which is like your green sort of colour. Turquoise Flash. Vibrant Violet, so your purple. And then I just got a nice brownie glitz. So I'm assuming this one's got like glitter or something in it, maybe. I don't know. I've got no makeup on because I'm going to film a look, but I wanted to show you the stuff in the packaging. But I want to use some of these colours. I'm going out tonight with some of the mums from my kids' school. I'm going to see a local band called Jelly Bean Jam. We're going to have dinner and all of that stuff beforehand, so I think it's going to be a good night. So this is Brownie Glitz. Oh wow, that's so creamy. I just glid across my fingers, or across my hand rather. That's really nice. It has got like a sheen, sort of like a glitz through it. I'm interested to see these ones now. Holy hector, it's windy outside. Well, that wind can go away. I don't want it to be windy. My husband comes home tonight, and then as soon as he gets home, I'm going out. What an awful wife I am. He's been away all week for work, but that's normal. He's always away for work. Right, this is the... Oh man, I'm such a bad person when it comes to remembering colours and things. Colour Show. Is that what it was called? Vibrant Violet is what it was called. I'm just drawing. There you go. It's beautiful. I'm going to play with Turquoise Flash now. I'm frowning. I'm sorry. I've had a pretty productive morning actually. I had a most restless night ever. My 7-year-old come and got into bed with me because he had a nightmare, which is fine, except he's so wriggly and all he wanted to do was be connected to me. He must have had a really bad nightmare because when he came in he was shaking. They make it so hard to get into things. There we go. Oh, that's so pretty. And this is the Emerald, Edgy Emerald. I am using the perforated edges too. I'm not gone mad, I just can't. There we go. get into it. Well, that one's a little bit drier. Still got beautiful colour, and I think the colour payoff would be good. I think I want to use either this one tonight or the brown one. I'm not sure, but I am excited. Anyway, so that's what I ended up with, considering I just went in to get some black flats. And I came out with quite a few things. So on makeup, that was 2 lots of brushes included. That was $64.90 for all of that makeup. $14 for 2 pairs of shoes, and $41 for 3 tops and a pair of pants. So I'm pretty impressed with that, and I'll use all of it. So if you like these sorts of videos, let me know, or just give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to like it, subscribe, share it with your friends, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.